All right, so somebody signed up for the course. We were chatting about the pentatonic when we sort of had a call. So this is the video that I just sent to them, something to work on before the course starts. So take a look at it, check it out. And if you do want any questions, go ahead and comment or DM about this course, and we could get you signed up. Okay, so what we were going over is sort of learning the pentatonic in two different positions. Let's do it in G, just because you have that you don't have the cutaway there. So this will be a little easier. So if I have my G minor bar chord, that, starting on the 3rd fret, will be our normal pentatonic, you know, the one that we always learn. And then another G minor, not starting on the E string, but starting on the A string, would be here on the 10th fret. Okay, and then this position now of the pentatonic, a little bit different, right? It's 10, so it's 10, 13, 10, 13, 10, 12, 10, 12, and then it switches to 11, 13, and then 10, 13. So, right? If we get used to that, we can see the G minor chord within that scale. Really what we're doing is playing that G minor pentatonic, right? We can get really used to it. And then when I'm moving, if I want to move from the 3rd fret up to where that 10th fret is, right? I'm already on sort of like these 6s and 5s, right? For that pentatonic. All I really have are the 8s. 8, 8, 8. 7 on the 3rd string. The 3rd string is always 1 fret back. And then 8, 8. So if I'm playing I'm not really thinking, all right, I'm in this position. I'm in this position of the pentatonic. The next one. Now I'm in this position of the pentatonic. Now I'm in this one. I'm just bridging this one that I can see this chord in, and then this one where I can see this chord in here, and then making them happen with a series of 8s. So what that really means too, when we get a little bit more used to it, is let's say I am up here, right? I'm sort of in that 2nd position of the pentatonic. All I'm really doing is looking back at these series of 6s and 5s, and that's just where I'm starting. I know where all those are with my 1st finger, or 2nd finger too, right? And then I'm just adding all of these 8s, and then that 1, 7 on the 3rd string. So really, if I have this, right, that 2nd position of the pentatonic, I'm really not memorizing it. I'm learning it because I can see this part of the pentatonic that I already know, my bridged notes, which are 8, 8, 8, 7, 8, 8, and then this pentatonic that I already know. And it does get much easier that way. And we're not memorizing so much as learning, right? And that is one of, I mean, it's a much fuller lesson. It's the full 2-hour lesson. That's what we dive into mostly in week 2. Week 1, we really cover like the number system and everything like that. So we get really heavy into that pentatonic on week 2, playing all throughout the whole neck and everything. So try that, man. Let me know how that video goes.